Hi, my friends. How are you? Yes, I am Shandip Ghosh with you with a fine story not only for class 11 but also for honors level English honors 4th sem. The play is Macbeth, a tragedy by William Shakespeare. But here, according to West Bengal Board, class 11 students just go through the story. Tales from Shakespeare, Macbeth. Not William Shakespeare, but this story was decorated and written by famous English authors Charles Lamb and Mary Lamb. So, who wrote the play Macbeth? William Shakespeare wrote the play Macbeth. Who wrote the story of Macbeth? Charles Lamb and Mary Lamb wrote the story of Macbeth. What is the source of the story of Macbeth? The source of the story of Macbeth is Tales from Shakespeare. Yes, now go through the story. Here, the country Scotland. Which country? Scotland. Macbeth is a story of Scotland. Which country? Scotland. Which country? Scotland. Which country? Scotland. Yes, this is Scotland. This is Scotland. Here the incident occurred. Then time, Scotland was divided in many thanes, short parts, such as Glamis, Cawdor, Fife, etc. This is the Scotland. And Scottish king, Scottish meek, lawful, good king was Duncan. Duncan had two sons. Number 1, Malcolm. Number 2, Donalbain. Here, the Scotland was attacked by Norway troop. Norway troop attacked Scotland. Scotland was attacked by Norway troop. Famous Norway soldiers attacked Scotland. The King Duncan was fearful, afraid, and immediately he sent his two famous soldiers. The soldiers were Macbeth and Banquo. And most famous soldier was Macbeth. When Macbeth fought, his sword vanquished and vapored of blood. Such a famous soldier was Macbeth. So, two Scottish general Macbeth and Banquo hot out, side out, ran out, driven all the Norway soldiers, and they took a part of Norway. They became victorious. And after that great victory, Duncan was very glad. Then, after winning the battle, two Scottish generals, Macbeth and Banquo, were returning from Scotland. On their return way, they came through a heath. That means big grassland. In the heath, they saw in the heath, they saw, what did they saw? They saw 3 witches. How were the witches? The witches were like human, but they had beard and they were in airy particles. So the first witch announced, Macbeth, oh Macbeth, hail Macbeth, you would be the Thane of Glamis. Yes, Macbeth was the Thane of Glamis. The second witch announced, oh Macbeth, you would be the Thane of Cawdor. Macbeth was puzzled. Yes, I am the Thane of Glamis. How would be I the Thane of Cawdor? And the third witch announced, Macbeth, you would be the King of Scotland. The crown of Scotland would be over Macbeth. Crown of Scotland would be over Macbeth. Then immediately Macbeth wrote to her sole partner, Lady Macbeth. Some people, some persons, some critics say Lady Macbeth was the fourth witch. Macbeth wrote to Lady Macbeth about their incidents. Yes, that occurred. The witches told Macbeth Macbeth was the Thane of Glamis and became the Thane of Cawdor as the king ordered. And how would he be the king of Scotland? How would he get the crown? Then Lady Macbeth planned to get the crown. How would he get? Here, the Shakespearean style camouflaging, visualization, hallucination, assassination, and somnambulism. Yes, Lady Macbeth is with the power of camouflaging. That means be like a innocent flower and a serpent under it. Lady Macbeth invited Macbeth, and the king Duncan came with his other soldiers and all the sons to the castle Inverness, to the Macbeth's castle. Duncan came with his sons and soldiers to the Macbeth's castle. Then Lady Macbeth, like the fourth witch, puzzled and irritated Macbeth to kill the king. Lady Macbeth herself would kill, but sleeping Duncan was like his father, so she can't. Now Macbeth visualized a dagger and a second dagger, two daggers. Macbeth visualized a dagger and they needed two daggers. One dagger for Macbeth and another dagger for the king, which he visualized, and Macbeth killed Duncan. Macbeth killed Duncan with two daggers. This is the first one, and this is the visualized dagger. Two daggers. Which daggers? Two daggers. One in the visualized, another in the original. Immediately after the death of Duncan's two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain. Malcolm fled to England and Donalbain to Ireland. So the throne was open. No one demanded the throne, and Macbeth became the king of Scotland. The crown came over Macbeth. Macbeth was very happy with the crown. Macbeth became the king of England. Now Banquo and his son Fleance were assassinated. Now Macbeth was worried about his successors, who would be the next king. Then Macbeth went to the witches again. Here the witches in a big cauldron were making a drink with the ingredients with toads, bats, serpents, parts of newt, tongue of dog, lizard, owl, night owl, dragon, dead child's finger, wolf, mommy wolf, baboon's blood, goat's gall, liver of Jew, and root of hemlock. They are making a mixture in the cauldron. Then Macbeth hailed the white sisters. Then Macbeth asked them, "What's the future? Who would be the heir? How would I behave?" The first witch told Macbeth, "Be aware of the Thane of Fife." That means Macduff. First witch told Macbeth to be aware of Macduff, another Thane, a soldier. Second witch told Macbeth, a man born of woman's womb cannot kill you. You can't be killed by a man who is born of woman's womb. Third witch told, until Barnum Woods, these woods, would come to the top of Dancing on a Hill, you would not be killed. Then, after these three predictions, Macbeth became more violent and more strong and more bloody. He killed Macduff and his whole family. And Macbeth, in the greed and with the power of the Scottish throne, became an unstoppable one. In the meantime, the bad times of Macbeth came. Okay? What happened? The misfortunes happened to Macbeth, one after another. His good times gone. Macbeth firstly came up pledging. That's the style of Lady Macbeth. Macbeth visualized two daggers. Visualized. Then hallucination. Macbeth hallucinated the ghost of Banquo. Assassination. That means assassination. Macbeth appointed assassinators for Macduff's and Banquo's family. Here the misfortune for somnambulism. Misfortune for Lady Macbeth. Somnambulism. That means walk and talk in sleep. Lady Macbeth fell from the hill and due to somnambulism died. Now Macbeth alone and the soldiers from the England, there were Macduff, Malcolm and other soldiers. They came to attack Scotland. Macbeth was very powerful. Macduff knew that and he ordered green sketch. He ordered his soldiers to rise the hill by taking two branches of Barnam wood. And Macbeth saw the Barnam wood on the top of Dancing on a Hill. Macbeth feared. And when Macduff came to kill Macbeth pardoned him. But Macduff called. He was not a woman born. He was scissored out from his mother's home. The great powerful Macbeth fought a lot, fought bravely and died. And Macduff became the victory and the elder son Malcolm was the elder son. Donalbain's elder son Malcolm became the king of Scotland. So Scottish crown went upon Donalbain's elder brother. That means Malcolm. Malcolm got the crown. Who became the crown holder? The elder son of the king. Elder son of the king became the crown holder. Yes, that's the crown of Scotland. That's the crown of Scotland. Scotland was over a new king, and that's the son of Duncan. Mick King, Duncan. Duncan's son. Duncan's son became the Scottish new king. Here, few question and answer. You have to complete this. Who wrote the play Macbeth? What kind of play is this? This is a tragedy. What is the source? Who was Duncan? Who was Macbeth? Who was Banquo? These types of these 25 questions would cover all the short and broad questions. Okay, goodbye. Stay home. Stay safe. Be happy.